Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best beach recliner is probably one of the most essential pieces of gear for anyone looking to maximize their comfort and relaxation while enjoying a day by the water, whether it's the ocean, a lake, or even just lounging in your backyard by the pool. Imagine sinking into a perfectly angled seat, feeling the gentle breeze, and having everything you need within arm's reach. That's the promise of a great beach recliner, transforming a simple outing into a luxurious escape. Number 5. Best Choice Products Zero Gravity Lounge Chairs. Experience unparalleled comfort with our set of 2 lounge chairs. They effortlessly recline to a perfect zero-gravity position, adapting to your body's needs. Designed for life on the go, these chairs are lightweight and foldable. Easily bring them to the park, beach, or any outdoor event. Stay connected and refreshed with the detachable tray. It features holders for your drinks, phone, and tablet, keeping essentials close by. Enjoy lasting quality with a robust construction that supports up to 250 pounds. The durable textile fabric ensures reliability for years to come. Customize your comfort with the included removable headrest. Adjust it to find your perfect angle for maximum relaxation. These chairs offer generous space when open, measuring 32.5 to 61 inches long. When folded, they become compact at 38 inches long, making storage simple. What we like? This set offers a smooth zero-gravity recline for ultimate relaxation. The convenient detachable tray keeps your essentials within reach. If you're looking for a comfortable and functional seating option for 2 that's easy to take anywhere, this is a fantastic choice for beach trips or backyard lounging. What people say. The recliner is very comfortable and easy to adjust. It is lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry to the beach. The sturdy construction ensures durability and stability. Number 4. Best Choice Product Set of 2 Zero-Gravity Lounge Chairs, Navy Blue. Experience unparalleled comfort with our zero-gravity recliners. They smoothly glide into an ergonomic position, adapting to your body's weight for a truly weightless feel. Take relaxation wherever you go. Their lightweight and foldable design makes them perfect for the park, beach, or any outdoor adventure. Keep your essentials close at hand with the detachable tray. It features cup holders, a phone holder, and a tablet holder for your convenience. Built to last, these chairs offer a high weight capacity and flexible, low-wear fabric. Enjoy lasting quality and comfort for years to come. Customize your comfort with removable, padded headrests. Find the perfect angle for relaxation, whether you're reading or simply lounging. When not in use, they fold down compactly for easy storage. Enjoy your outdoor space without clutter. What we like? Experience unparalleled comfort with its zero-gravity recline and a handy detachable tray for your drinks and devices. Its lightweight and foldable nature makes it perfect for spontaneous outings. If you prioritize both comfort and convenience for a pair, and need something easily transportable for various outdoor settings, this is the one for you. What people say. They have snap-on trays that can fit on either side of the chairs, and much is nice because I have a table in between them. Love these. They're very sturdy and stable and keep my back supported with the extra cushion included. So comfy and easy to carry. Came in super handy for my vacation, and you could legit sleep comfortably in these inside a regular-sized tent. Number 3. WEKAPO Inflatable Couch Air Lounger Chair. Introducing the ultimate portable seating solution. No pump needed, just a few simple movements to inflate it and enjoy instant comfort. Experience superior relaxation with our unique pillow-shaped headrest. It provides perfect support for your neck and upper back, ensuring ultimate comfort. Thanks to our advanced anti-deflation technology, this lounger stays fully inflated for at least 5 to 6 hours. Relax longer without worry. It comes with a handy carry bag for easy transport, a stake to secure it outdoors, and even a bottle opener for your convenience. Ideal for camping, beaches, hiking, or just relaxing in your backyard. This is the perfect companion for all your outdoor adventures. We're confident you'll love it, but it also comes with a 100% risk-free satisfaction guarantee. Buy with complete peace of mind. What we like? This lounger inflates easily without a pump, offering a unique pillow-shaped headrest for superior neck support. Its anti-deflation technology ensures it stays inflated for hours. If you need a super portable and quick-to-set-up seating solution for festivals, camping, or just relaxing in the park, and you value comfort and ease of use, this is an excellent option. What people say. It feels a lot like a hammock. Your feet and head are slightly elevated. It's super comfortable. I love the design. There is even a pocket on the side for a Kindle or a sketchbook. The plastic is very thick, and while it comes with a repair patch, I doubt that will be needed. This was extremely comfortable during a beach trip. There were no issues with it blowing away in the wind, which was an initial concern. Number 2. Homall Zero Gravity Chair Set of 2, Blue. Forget assembly. These chairs arrive ready to go. Just unpack them and sink into immediate comfort for a perfect nap. Whether you're camping, at the beach, or by the pool, these chairs are your ideal relaxation spot. They are a great choice for taking a well-deserved break. Constructed with a sturdy frame and durable bungee cords, they can support up to 300 pounds. The adjustable pillow and breathable fabric ensure a cool, comfortable experience. Easily recline from 0 to 145 degrees to find your perfect zero-gravity position. The elastic cords adapt to your body for personalized support. Perfect for your poolside, lawn, garden, or patio. These chairs provide a superior comfortable experience for all your leisure time. What we like. Forget assembly, this chair comes ready to use right out of the box, offering a comfortable zero-gravity experience. Its durable build and adjustable recline system ensure long-lasting relaxation. If you value immediate comfort and a sturdy chair for poolside, patio, or beach use without any hassle, this is a great pick. What people say. The recliner is very comfortable and sturdy. It is easy to adjust and stays in place. The wide armrests are great for holding drinks and snacks. Number 1. Best Choice Products Folding Zero Gravity Recliner. Experience unparalleled comfort with our Zero Gravity Recliner. Its smooth reclining system adjusts to your body for a truly weightless feel. Stay protected from the sun with the adjustable canopy shade. The removable headrest pillow ensures maximum comfort for your face and eyes. Crafted with UV-resistant textile mesh and a sturdy steel frame, this chair is designed for lasting outdoor use and optimal support. Keep your essentials close with the detachable side tray. It features cup holders, a phone mount, and a tablet holder for your convenience. Its lightweight and folding design makes it easy to take anywhere. Enjoy it at home, the beach, or your next outdoor adventure. This chair offers a uniquely comfortable sitting experience, supporting up to 250 pounds. Enjoy your relaxation time to the fullest. What we like. Enjoy personalized shade with its adjustable canopy and keep your essentials close with the detachable side tray. The UV-resistant mesh ensures durability and comfort. If you're someone who needs protection from the sun while lounging, and appreciates having your phone and drinks easily accessible, this is the ideal chair for your patio or beach days. What people say. The fabric, which feels like a heavy canvas, is breathable and cool, yet seems very durable. I love the sunshade and accessory tray, which will hold drinks, phone, and small tablet Kindle. The textile mesh feels supportive but still breathable on hot days, so you do not stick to it the way you do with some padded chairs. The adjustable canopy is a great feature when the sun is at an awkward angle. I can tilt it to keep the glare off my face without needing a separate umbrella. The side tray is also handy for holding a drink, phone, or book, so I am not reaching down to the ground. Chair is stable, no issues with sitting. Love the width. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.